Welcome to my castle. Bless ka na ha, Jerty. Happy birthday. Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Dali, picturean ko kayo. Kasi mamaya madilim na, no? Oh. Sana si Doña Josie, Doña Connie, Doña Jerty, Doña Becca, lahat mga Doña. Ano ginagawa nila? Ah. Hindi. Kaya malamig dito.
Ay, kaya ano pala.
Kung ano may likod mo.
Pipicture na ako. Picturean mo ako.
Sige na, sige na. Bibidyohan muna kita. Ay, ang ganda. Grabe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ganda, Diyosa. Oh, ka-turn mo pala yung bulaklak. Wait lang. Bango, grabe. Talagang pinabanguhan nila, no? Ganda. Maputik pag pumunta ka. Picturean mo ako dyan. Baka na yan.
Ang ganda naman.
Thank you.
Ayun siya, kayo dyan. Ang mukha ko, ang mukha ko. Nakikita na naman yan sa
Video yan.
Let me call in our officiating ministers, starting off with Bishop Ruben Juan. Reverend Francis A. Madison. The loving parents of our groom, let's welcome Mr. Jose and Franco Sr. together with Mrs. Juana and Franco. Brothers Matt, Ernie, John, Edward, and Franco. Ernie, your honor, Princess, Franco. Our beloved principal sponsors, Major General Andrew Costello, together with Dr. Vladimir Costello.
Running wild.
today. And Doctora Evelyn Javier Recuenco.
Para Cinderella.
Dearly beloved, we gather here today in this beautiful place to celebrate and witness the renewal of vows of this wonderful couple, Colonel William Recuenco and Dr. Evelyn Javier Recuenco, as they celebrate their 20th wedding anniversary. It is a moment of great joy and gratitude as we reflect on the love and commitment that has blossomed and endured over the years, 20 years. Let us therefore give thanks to God for His faithfulness and blessings upon this union. Let us sing our opening hymn, For the Beauty of the Earth.
Aches your heart. Tumigil na po. Nagtanong po si Doc Evelyn. Sabi niya, Honey, where's IJK? Sabi ni Doc William, I'm just kidding. I think that's the best joke you can get. Eve asked Adam, do you love me?
Praise each other for all the days of your lives. Now, my friends, you have choice. You can do that, or you can resign from it.
Evelyn, really, I renew my vows to you. I promise to love you with all my heart, cherish you in the good times and the bad, and always stand by your side and support your dreams and share your joys and sorrows. I commit to being faithful to you, to respect you, and to nurture our love as we continue this journey together. You are my partner, my love, and my best friend. Princess.
Napakatin si Colonel.
William, today I renew my vows to you. I promise to love you unconditionally, to honor and respect you, and to support you in all that you do. I will be your partner and your friend through every season of life. I commit to share in your dreams and to create a home filled with laughter and love. You are my companion, my confidant, and my forever love.
Wow. Palakpakan natin si Dr. Evelyn. Thank you so much. May we request Dr. John, Attorney John, days ago, and the love that continues to grow and shine brightly between you. In your home, in your assignment, Dr. William, and in your hospital. May this light inspire you both in the years to come, in moments of joy and in times of trials and challenges, always illuminating the bond you share. And may I remind you again, you will continue to look up to Christ. Christ, the author and perfecter of our faith, who said, "I'm the light of the world. He who walks with me shall not walk in darkness, but shall walk in the light." Pwedeng sindihan natin mabuti para maglagam na. Ayan, ayan. Okay. Wow. Humarap po kayo sa congregation, dear friends. And extinguish those lights. Meaning that your selfishness, katulad ng sermon, ay mawawala at mag-iisa kayo, and that you will continue to point to Christ at the center of your moment. Extinguish it. Ayun. Yan. Happy anniversary. Palakpakan po natin.
Nakita? Ay, hindi ko nakuha.
49 or what? Anyway, these 20 years, renewal of vows, we started this as a joke, and the joke became the reality. So with this, I still love you from the very start. As requested by Princess, alam na, that she keeps on telling me, "Daddy, you love Mommy." So I'm here in front of our guest, our principal sponsor. I'm here saying that I always love your mommy. Di ba? Okay na. That's all.
And I love you. We thank God for the 20 years of this relationship. Sabi ko nga, without God, without His grace, ang hirap makapunta ng 20 years. Parang madaming parang sa daming trials, di ba? Sabi nga sa kanina, sa preaching, there is no perfect marriage. And that is really, really true. The both of us are, talagang we are different talaga. Yung aming characters, sobrang opposite kami. Siya strong, ako yung medyo, strong din, pero medyo, light lang ako. So, God has a purpose kung bakit kami yung pinagsama. And we are thankful kasi kung pareho kaming matapang siguro at parang walang mangyayari sa relationship. And I really thank God. We really thank God for this occasion na nakarating sa 20. And with His grace, and as we bow before you and everyone, we pray for a long-lasting relationship which God is in the center of it. So thank you for having with us. Thank you for witnessing this ceremony of renewal of vows. And I still love you forevermore.
Wow! Napapakamot si
We pray. O most gracious and loving God, we acknowledge that Thou art the author of life and of love. Unto You we lift our highest praise and utmost adoration for this wonderful ceremony in celebration of the 20th wedding anniversary.
Your wife.
Now, before you kiss the bride, let me remind us that a kiss on the forehead is a sign of respect. A kiss on the cheek is a sign of adoration. But a kiss on the lips is what husbands and wives do as you share your love, show your love publicly to each other. So let us see how you will kiss your wife.
You may now kiss your loving wife. Sandali po, parang napakabilis po ata. Colonel William, parang pwede po bang medyo tagalan po natin at para makakuha po sila ng picture. Okay. Dapat 5 seconds po tumatagal yung kiss. Ano po, Colonel William? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palakpakan natin ang